Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So good morning. I hope you're having a great day. I just finished getting ready for today. I have already had a cup of coffee and a bowl of watermelon. So I've had my fruit, had my coffee, and lots of water so far this morning. So I thought I would do a what I eat in a day healthy edition and show you kind of the approach that I'm taking on how I'm eating food, the food choices that I'm making. So as I've mentioned in previous videos, I eat all the foods of all the food groups. So I enjoy everything. I do not put too much pressure on myself anymore. I pretty much just eat whatever I'm craving at the moment. So this morning that was watermelon and a glass of water. So that's what I had. And then I also had coffee before I had that. So that's pretty much my everyday morning routine is I wake up and have that cup of coffee and then go into breakfast. So it was really nice, very enjoyable. I sat out on the back deck, got some sunshine, and enjoyed a nice cup of coffee. And guys, I was thinking it is almost fall. Like, I know we're just in August, but it is almost time to start decorating. So I did redo my YouTube banner. I hope you like it. It's fall themed. I cannot wait to start decorating, and I want to show you that in a future video. Hopefully I will be able to get all my decorations out and get everything decorated, maybe buy some new candles so the house will be smelling really nice. So I really like fall, really like decorating for fall, and all the smells of fall. It's so good. So pretty excited about that. I'm sorry if you can hear my washing machine. I am doing laundry at the moment, so getting prepared for a new week, have my laundry going. And I just thought I would take you guys along with me and show you what I'm having today. And also I wanted to mention that we had a pretty big garden this year. We actually had 3, and I did not get a chance to film those. I do apologize for not showing you those vegetables, but we have been enjoying a lot of vegetables and it has been amazing. We've been able to help a lot of people and give a lot of vegetables away. So I thank the Lord for that. And I'm just super excited to see what the rest of this year entails. So it's gonna be a fun day. Let's get started. It's around 12 o'clock now. I'm gonna have lunch and I'm gonna show you what I'm making. So for lunch today, I'm gonna make my spin on like a pork fried rice. So we have leftover rice from where me and my husband got Chinese last night. And in the rice, we had black pepper chicken, but we've already ate the chicken. So I'm gonna use the rice. I have prepped up some pineapple as well as some pork chops that I sliced up into little chunks, and I sauteed them with olive oil, sesame oil, salt and pepper, soy sauce, and garlic powder. So they're gonna be delicious. I let them crisp up, and then I'm gonna add all that into my rice bowl for lunch. And then I also meal prep some bacon because, as I mentioned, I'm doing laundry. I'm kind of like meal prepping a little bit so I can get the week started. If you want to know some tips that I think are great to set up a successful week, go watch that video. It's already posted and you can see how I set my weeks up to be successful ones. So this is the rice that I'm using that was leftovers. I have my pineapple, my pork chop that I have sauteed up, and bacon for the week. And we'll probably pair this with like grits. It would also go really good with toast and eggs. So lots of things you can do for breakfast with bacon throughout your week. So I am back outside again, fixing to enjoy this delicious lunch. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Sorry, I'm having to hold it in this towel because it is extremely hot. But I have my chunks of pineapple, my pork, and my rice, and I'm just gonna let it cool down a little bit, and then I'm gonna enjoy this. I also have a huge glass of water. As I mentioned before, get your water intake in. It helps, keeps you hydrated. So that is one of the things I'm working on, is making sure I'm getting my water intake in, because I'm really bad about just going for the sodas and not drinking enough water. So most of the time I do like 0 sodas. If I do have a soda, occasionally I'll have like a regular one, but I try to stick with water, so, and electrolytes. So that is what I'm going to try to do. And then also I was just wondering, out of curiosity, do you guys decorate for fall like before September, or do you wait until September? I usually wait until September, but this year for some reason, I don't know, kind of from like August, maybe a good month to decorate. So this is really good. Comment down below and let me know what you do. Do you wait Should I wait? So for a snack, I'm having some of these blue corn tortilla chips, cheese dip, pretzels, and some pecans. So it has been a while since I had that snack earlier. We had date night tonight, so I did not film that, but I did take pictures of the food that I ate. So I had a salad that I ate around half of with stuffed mushrooms that I split with my husband, as well as a pizza that we split. And I only ended up eating one slice of pizza because that was a really big salad that I had, but I will show you pictures of the food that I had tonight. Hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.